嘅事。
着兩套嘢嘅朋友都發現幅畫好似仲爭少少嘢喎。Cookie Ann 諗到方法啦！
Everyone follows Cookie Ann's lead. And now it's finished. Looks like they found the perfect way to remember their day. Everyone is happy now.
呢一班好朋友好開心咁繼續去玩啊！佢哋對呢幅集體回憶都非常之滿意啊！
Shall we take a peek at what they made?
好啊！大家都想睇下佢哋嘅創作，係咪？哇！呢幅畫好有意思啊！
It's a painting made by all the friends together. With this beautiful painting, it was easy to see that being able to share the day together was the sweetest springtime gift of all.
冇錯啊！同好朋友一齊分享快樂嘅時光，係春天帶俾大家最好嘅禮物啊！
Share this joyful Duffy and Friends story as well as this lovely springtime with you, my friends.
希望大家都中意呢個故事，亦希望你哋可以將呢個快樂